is there any strategies to achieve that first sale and then to become the best seller, maybe?
Right.
If you're ambitious.
Yeah, that's a great question. And bestseller badge, usually that's the badge itself because you're bestseller in your category. Plus, you're usually selling the most because that's how it goes. I'll start with the first, how to get your first sales. So first, before anything is the product development. If you want people to buy for long term, you need to solve the problem of this niche and be really differentiated in this niche with your messaging, with the people that you're touching. Let me give you an example. Coffee, okay? Let's say that coffee is drank by hipsters, let's say, okay?
Italian.
Yes, okay. So if you in your images touch specifically and show sort of a person that's in the hipster look, automatically you are very much talking to that segment of the audience. And when they see your product and this talks to hipsters, all the hipsters are going to be excited about this product. They will tell other hipsters that there's such a product, and the hipsters that are searching for this product, they will buy it on a higher conversion rate. The non-hipsters will maybe also buy because they'll see some hipster in the pictures, coffee cups, all right? But it's called positioning. You position your product for a specific audience. There's a specific message in your product. So if you nail that right, and that's hard, you gotta, like I would say, read a fair amount of books for that and maybe go through some courses, some videos, but it's not that complicated. I have a video about positioning as well on the channel. It's with Oleg Zaidin there. It's called how to become a bestseller in your niche. Oh, that would be a great video for you to watch. That's exactly how it's called, how to become a bestseller in your niche. That's one. So we create a product and then we optimize the listing to be in all the right keywords. So we can potentially take all the relevant audience and show our product to them so we can get sales from them. So the right product, the right keywords, the right semantic core of keywords, written in a very nice way, great pictures, great video. Here it means that when we put it on market, we put like the best coffee cup, like literally that talks to some specific audience, that just the best that can possibly be. And the thing is, by the way, probably you will go wrong, just to be honest, like probably. That's just how it happens. But also the idea is to get a product to market faster, just to start. Because of course, not do it just like stupid start, that's not good, but to do it smart, but faster as well, because then you get feedback from the audience, from people. You'll start seeing things, you understand the system, but that's just saying. So ready product, position product, you get it to Amazon. If you can in advance, find all these bloggers, maybe find an email list that can promote your product. Okay, in your niche, maybe find some Facebook groups in your niche of coffee lovers. When if you want Lucia to be the face of the brand, you can connect to some people there. You say, hey, I like coffee and I am here. I've created some special coffee cups and I want to share it in this group. I'm doing a video for you guys and I launched it on Amazon. I'm excited for that. There's a link here. And so that's different ways of launching things, but let's take that aside. That's one option. Yes, when you have some external traffic sources, etc. On Amazon itself, because that's where the Amazon buyers are, you can learn PPC. Yes. And you can also, again, reviews. You can use the wine program, Amazon Wine. That gives you, I believe, 30 or now I think it's 60 reviews that wine buyers can buy your product and leave a review for this product. They are very critical, might be. So they leave 5 stars, but you might get 3 stars, 4 stars. Suit yourself, but that's a faster way to get reviews. Or you can, again, use friends and family under, again, it's not in the TOS, but you can get your first 2-3 reviews just for the PPC to work a bit better. You can mix it all, different traffic sources, while your friends are buying as well. So it won't even algorithmically seem strange. In this way, you will start getting your first sales. And how to become the best seller is you can go out of stock. You need to sell consistently and grow your sales. That means you need to do all you can to grow in positions on Amazon. How you do that? By improving your PPC and pay-per-click, by improving your conversion rate. Maybe and you can use services. Again, you have Pickfu, Product Opinion, Mindcart AI, different services to A/B test your pictures. Maybe there is one picture of a guy cutting with the scissors, the other picture is with a girl cutting with the scissors, and turns out that 80% of the people prefer the picture with the guy. You didn't know that, you weren't even sure. So either you can do that by testing it on Amazon, which will usually take you probably a bit longer and will be harder to understand. But Amazon actually gives you the option to test titles and main image and enhanced brand content, which is like extra images inside Amazon. But
That's good. I didn't know that.
yeah, you can do that. Not sure if that's only for those who have brand registry, but I think I'm not sure here, to be honest. But what I'm saying is you will start getting feedback from the algorithm. You will see the conversion rate, you will see your sessions, you will see other competitors, like how are they working. If you see that with brand analytics on Amazon, you can, and that's, you have to have brand registry, you can see the conversion rate of specific products. If their conversion rate is high, that means they're doing something right. So you can check that on Amazon. Continue bringing more traffic. Go to blogs, go to YouTube videos, TikTok, like bring traffic, grow the reviews. Then you'll overgrow your competition reviews. With time, you'll get a bestseller. I've had the bestseller in the kitchen Caesars back in the day. It's a funny story. At some point, that's exciting. I was still working 9 to 5. I actually remember that day. I think I told the story a few times on the channel, but we were having a lighting deal, which is like a big discount on Amazon, so to say, and like a promotion. And after this promotion, in one day, we sold over 1,000 Caesars in one day.
Wow.
Yes. And we got to number 6 on Amazon in kitchen and dining.
Wow.
That was crazy. Like, and then we became the bestseller, but for a while, because our rank, it's called bestseller rank, dropped to number 6 in kitchen and dining. And then that shows that you have the bestseller badge. You don't even need to go that a lot of sales, but because the next day after this promotion, we got back to our normal place. We still got better in ranks, but at some point we lost the bestseller. I also had a bestseller on a grill brush product. And it adds a lot to your clicks, to your conversion, because that badge is very valuable. But even if you don't have that badge, you still can do relatively fine. Most of the sellers are not bestsellers there, so they're still making plenty of money.
I mean, it's the main goal of everyone. I mean, but
yeah, I see what you're saying.
you can achieve it or not, and that's good.